All right, gang, we just talked about Apple, which is this ticker over here. Another ticker I want to drop down to is the chips player over here. So let's take a look at it. Wow, okay. So we definitely have a downtrend over here. Um, if you wondering why my lines don't really line up, it's because it's focused on the weekly. As you can see, those lines are now touching. Um, but let's dive a little deeper, okay? Um, let's go into what, one, two, or four. Let's go into 4 hour. Let's check it out. Okay, so here's where we're at here. As we can see, we had a touch here and then a bounce, and then made it up here, then back down here to this line again, and back up, and now it looks like we're headed back to this line, right? I do expect us to touch this line this week, but I don't think it's going to just happen. I think we're going to have some ups and downs. So even if we open red tomorrow, I do expect a bounce in the market. Um, will that bounce last? I don't think so. But eventually, I do think before EPS or even after EPS, we will be. I'm short this stock, by the way. I do think we will be below this line right here. So place your bets, people. Another ticker I want to get into, as everybody else always does, is the main monster, SPY. Let's talk about SPY. Honestly, like, I haven't even looked at SPY since Thursday or Friday or whatever it may be. So I don't even have anything prepared for this video. But when you chart, you don't necessarily need to have anything prepared to make videos, because look, my chart's lined up. Everything is A1. As you can see, we had those touches. Like, I haven't touched this line in so long. So as you can see, it touched right here. We were following this ascending wedge, and we dropped down of it. We consolidated out of this wedge, 1, 2, and then boom. Now we're in this little range right here. So we can expect SPY to see maybe like 410 for the week. But I do expect a retest of this line right here, which is around 426. So that tells you about the monster moves that we could possibly see this week. So could be some ups and downs, but eventually I do expect SPY to continue down somewhere over here. But for this particular week, I expect us to be right over here. And yeah, and that's SPY. And everybody favorite monster ticker, because you never know what's going to happen with it. Tesla. What do we have with Tesla? Please excuse my charts, okay? So I day trade, and my charts are like just all over the place, but I will give you a breakdown of them. So even if like you look at my Tesla's chart, but if you look at the weekly chart, boom, it looks a little bit better, right? But I'm talking about this week, so I'm going down to the 4 hour, and let's see what we have here. All right, so I was playing this play on Friday. As you can see, Tesla had some bearish activity going on. So we had some touches over here. This lines up better on the 2 hour, but I'm just going to show you over here. But we had some touches over here. And then I was in my Discord and I was talking about, wow, Tesla is very, very much struggling. Actually, let me go down to the 2 hour. Yeah, that's much better for you guys, right? So I was watching Tesla, and then I noticed this very bearish candle right here. And I was like, wow, okay, this is ugly. And if you play stocks, you have to understand that just because a stock drops below a trend doesn't mean that it can't get back above the trend. So what I was looking for a close for the day of Tesla being under. And we got that right over here. So this is where Tesla closed the day at. And so I'm pretty much short Tesla. So the level that I am watching is pretty much, I expect Tesla to touch this level over here, which is around, what is that? 850, 860. So I expect Tesla to somewhat touch this level this week. As you can see, the chart is super bearish. We had this wedge over here. We broke below this wedge. Then we had another channel over here, ascending wedge, and it broke below that channel too. So that's what I'm expecting for this week, guys. I'm bearish these four stocks. I'm bearish on tech this week. I do expect a lot of volatility. I do expect ups and downs if you don't know what volatility means. My name is Bernard. This was my first first YouTube video talking about stocks. I will get some material and some devices to help with my videos. But I just wanted to give it a shot because I think I could do this. What do you guys think? And let's see how my predictions go. This is, I believe we are in August. So this is August. Oh, tomorrow will be August 22nd. So let's see how Monday open. Futures is actually red right now. I am expecting a reversal, maybe midday or even by open. I do expect tomorrow to be bearish, but I do think MMs will make it a little tricky for us. I don't know exactly how the week will play out day by day, but overall, I'm super bearish. And let's talk stocks.